Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to cancel Tinder Plus or Gold subscription if you want to stop recurring charges from Tinder Plus or Gold. Follow these steps carefully. First, this is for Android or iPhone. If on iPhone, open your App Store, go to the profile icon, then go to purchase history and cancel your purchasing from over there. In Android, tap your profile icon and select payments and subscriptions. Then go to subscriptions and choose Tinder. Then tap cancel subscription and confirm. Now, important note is that deleting the Tinder app does not cancel the subscription. You must cancel through Google Pay or Apple ID. So always be careful. Do not delete the app so you can get rid of your subscription. Go to the App Store or Play Store. After cancellation, premium features remain active until the billing period ends, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.